Mr. Wong sent a photo of his last will, handwritten and thumb-printed. To my best friend, Mylene Tanchanco, 30 million pesos from my savings account for her friendship and support. To my dear friend, Guy Estrella, 10% of Dragon Empire stock. To my grandson, Micaela Wong Chow, 10% of Dragon Empire stock. To my third daughter, Lala, 10% of Dragon Empire stock. To my second daughter, Gia Wong, 50% of all my properties, real and personal, whatsoever and wheresoever located. To my first daughter, Dana Wong, 20% of all properties, real and personal, whatsoever and wheresoever located. But a certain amount of 270 million pesos is set to be deducted from Dana Wong's inheritance once liquidated. To my legal wife, Lucy Wong, the Wong Mansion property and the rest of my personal savings from 3 banks. To Wong Foundation and Charity, 5% of Dragon Empire stock. And to Amanda Del Mundo, Gabriela Del Mundo, and Ava Del Mundo, 5% of Empire stock.
Bullshit! This is bullshit! Attorney, do something!
I'm so sorry, Mrs. Wong, but that's the will of Mr. Wong, and I can't do anything with that.
You are no one, Gia. You are no one. Wala kang karapatang makakuha ng pamana galing sa amin. You are no one.
I never asked anything from Papa. Wala akong pakialam sa kayaman.
Wow, Gia ha? Sa tingin mo maniniwala kami sa'yo? The fact is, you manipulated Papa. Sabi ko na, attorney eh. May mali talaga dito. May mali talaga dito.
Hindi yan totoo! Hindi pwede mangyari to! Attorney! Hindi ba pwedeng wala siyang makuhang kayamanan galing sa amin? Ikaw! Kayong lahat! Paano niyo makukuha yun, ha? Oh my God! 5%! Ang kapal na mukha niyo! Oh, ikaw! Walang tingin! Ano ka? Ha? Ano? Ano ginawa mo sa asawa ko, kape?
Yes! I had an affair with Adam Wong. And Gabriela and Ava are our daughters.
Sinungaling! Ikaw! Magiging kabit ng asawa ko, ha?
Lucy, ganyan ba kababa ang tingin mo sa akin?
Talaga?
Look where I am right now, Lucy. I'm gonna be 5% richer than you.
No!
Poor Lucy. Let's go mga anak. Come on. Yung bag mo.
Papatayin ko kayong dalawa! Sinisin na ito! Oh my God!